In Ocean's 11, how they don't fight the casino. They redesign the situation so the casino doesn't even see the real game. That's what elite brands do. Most brands compete in the same way. Same customers, same features, same price point, same ads with slightly different fonts. That's the red ocean. Crowded, expensive, and kind of depressing. Some brands escape it by changing what people compare. Three moves brand use to escape competition. Change the comparison, value innovation, own the space. People don't compare everything logically. They compare phrases, not features. Airbnb didn't win by being a better hotel. It changed the comparison to live like a local. Canva didn't win by being more powerful. It made design feel normal, fast, and accessible. Liquid Death didn't compete as another water brand. It made water feel like culture and identity.
Everyone is drinking on the job. Drink, drink, drink. Yeah, everyone is drinking on the job. Drink on the job. Drink on the job.
Duolingo didn't win by being the best course. It made learning feel like a game. A blue ocean isn't a new product, it's a new reference product. Value innovation creates new demand by removing friction and raising meaning. To apply it, write down what your category is obsessed with. Find what non-customers actually want instead. Build a frame where you win by default. Because if people compare you on everyone else's terms, you lose before you begin. If you want more psychology breakdowns, you know what to do.